For security and privacy, a device can be added on one account only. You need permission by the admin to access the device once it's already registered. And now, let's find how to do it. First, make sure that the network status of our NBR is online and we can access the device on our application. For addition, make sure that the server address of your application is the same server address with the second application you are going to share. Now, on the device screen, tap the three dots on the right side of the NBR that you want to share, then click Share. Option 1. Share single camera. To add single camera to other users, click the camera that you want to share. Then input the username of the receiver and the validity period of the QR code. You can also share by function of the camera such as live, two-way audio, or playback. Then click the function you want. Then click Share. Option 2. Share NBR device. To share the NBR access to other users, click the cloud device. Then choose how you can share the NBR, via share or via QR code. If you choose share, input the username of the receiver. Change the validity period and click the function you want. Then tap share. If you choose QR code, input the sharing password. Change the validity period and click generate. After clicking generate, you will jump to the QR code. For the person who needs to scan the QR code, go to devices, then click plus add and choose scan. After scanning the QR code, input the sharing password you created. Then click OK. Now, you successfully shared the device to other cloud account. And that's all for today's video, and I hope you learned something.